Hey guys, today's video we're gonna be doing an update on the turkeys and guineas and the quail. So first off, we have the turkeys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you them. So the turkeys got really big weeks ago when I had them. That one's the newest one I had, but I got two more new ones. But the two new ones I had, this one, the blue slate. Here's the blue slate. His buddy, the Bourbon Red, died a couple days ago. I don't know what from, but that's okay. So I have the blue slate. But I was really wanting the Bourbon Red because that one was cool. I never had one of those before. I've never had any of these before, but that one was really pretty. This one's still really pretty. It's only about 10 days old. That one's about, I think, 2 or 3 weeks, 3 weeks, and those are 8 weeks, and that one is, I think, 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks. But, yeah, whenever they strut, Tom and Joey, the two big white ones, they strut quite a bit. I think yesterday, that one I think strutted. It was strutting. There goes that one. And that one haven't strutted yet. That one haven't yet. And these kind right here, you can see they're starting to get a lot of white on the wings. So that's gonna turn all white in like a month. It's gonna be the whole thing's gonna be white. It's gonna be a really pretty bird because it's gonna be like tannish, whitish stuff color. But yeah, I don't really know that much about it. Yeah. If I haven't told you the names yet, so that one is Slato, that one's Corn, and that one is Cinco, and this one is Hook, and then Tom and Joey. So this one is gonna be all gray. It's gonna be all gray, really pretty color. And then those ones are gonna be that one, and those two are gonna be all white. And those are gonna be tan colored. That one. But whenever I take them out, they fly a lot. Because I was getting no exercise in. So they got his guineas out. How old are they? I think like 7 weeks old. So they're pretty big. And all our stuff likes eating grass. If I take them out, they always eat a whole bunch of grass. Then they start looking for bugs. Turkeys are like, oh wow. So I'll get a clip of that one strutting in a minute. Yeah, see how it goes, kind of. He's kind of strutting. I'm tasting them. What do you think, Tom? For some reason he's chasing them. He never really does. He ain't holding them. He's just showing him his boss. These are all the birds. now we're gonna show you the quill pen. Where we put the quill now.
We made this 4 days ago. The doll right here. We just have a lot of these for it. So it's not so they can get out. It's so stuff can't get in. We have little boxes with hay back there, and the waddle and food bowl. We just built it out of some tin and pallets. Put it at an angle so the wing can run off. And then this is some mesh and stuff. So now we're gonna give them water.
They're all out right now. I got most of them. Thanks for watching,
Make sure to like and subscribe.
and I'll see you on the next one.